Hey YouTube, welcome back to Part-Time Fab. So today I just wanted to make a quick video to give you guys a shop update. I've got some tool acquisition videos coming up real soon. I've got some new products that I want to show you about. One of which is this Evapo Rust. This is not a paid by any means. I saw this stuff at work one time. It did a great job, so I picked some up and I'm going to be doing a little review on it, show you what it did for me. And we've got a project coming up. We're going to be using this. This is Blue Demon's Triple Play. This is not a welding rod. This is more of a brazing rod. You can use a propane torch, MAP gas, or oxyacetylene. You don't have to get it that hot, but I've got a video coming up. I've got to make a radiator repair, so you might be real interested in this. Quick product review I'm going to be doing. Got some new gloves, Blue Demon gloves, black. They just came out with these not too long ago. I really love these things. I like them better than the micro gloves. These are kind of stiff, but these are real nice. You can feel the TIG rod really good in your hand. If you can see it back here, another tool acquisition. I have a Job Smart cleaning tank. Going to be doing a little review on this. I did not do an unboxing on this. It's a parts cleaner. I didn't figure anybody would be interested in unboxing. But you might be interested in how it works, which has been surprisingly good. Always need the long gloves for your parts tank cleaner. You don't want that on your skin. Also, if I've not got it up yet, this 12-ton shop press from Harbor Freight. I'm going to have a video coming, actually 2 videos on that coming real soon. The unboxing and assembly, and then later down the line I'll probably do a little review on it. It's a shop press. It's Harbor Freight. Well, I don't know about maybe a review. It works. I'm sure it works. Then we've got the clutch drill. Going to be doing unboxing and assembly, and definitely a review on that because lots of people want a good drill press, and thus far I've only used this one a couple times. Seems real good. The other tool acquisition is a toolbox. What's the big deal about a toolbox? Well, this is a Craftsman toolbox, and Sears had it on sale. Got a smoking deal on it. The assembly was basically just take it out of the box, put the wheels on it, and put the top on it. But I'll do a little review on it later on. But really smoking hot deal. Actually got the local Lowe's to do a price matching on it. So that made my drive even less. But have some more videos coming up real soon. Been working a whole bunch, just haven't had time to get in the garage. Just haven't. Just, you know how life gets in the way. But just wanted to do a little shop update and have some more Blue Demon infomercial videos coming out real soon. And always look for those. I appreciate y'all watching them. That always helps the shop. In the meantime, please rate, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Maybe not like this one, but I'll have more project videos in the future. See you next time. Thanks for stopping by. I almost forgot. We've got a ton of race car parts coming in. Like I said, I've been working, been making some extra cash. I bought a bunch of stuff. A lot of used parts, some new parts. The rear end, I promise, we are going to assemble that rear end soon, and I'm going to demonstrate another tool that I got. I don't know if I showed it on video or not, but it's a pinion depth gauge from Jegs. It is not the expensive one that's like T&D. It's the cheap one from Jegs, 100 bucks. You can, this tool is cheap enough to buy, use it, resell it, and you'll have your rear end put together. So look for that. We'll see you next time.